What's the meaning of bitter lemon? Bitter lemon. Bitter lemon.
Bitter lemon. Bitter lemon. Bitter lemon is a type of carbonated soft drink that has its origins in colonial British India. The drink takes its name from the original ingredient, the bitter-tasting lemon-like fruit of the citrus tree known as Citrus thyme aurantium. This fruit, also known as Seville orange, was used to create the signature bitter flavor of the drink. The addition of sugar and carbonation helped to balance out the bitterness, making it a popular beverage choice for many people. Today, bitter lemon can be found in various forms, including mixers for alcoholic beverages, and is enjoyed by people around the world for its unique flavor.